going already. Pretty rough, Pete. Pretty rough, I tell you.
Something's missing. Oh, found it.
There it is.
Holy sh!
There's a piece of it. Let me put this back.
Do something.
You get back in there.
So who's got the emery paper?
Yeah.
Oh,
That's.
it's like cast.
All right, 895, 810, 2 light stagger, the S-Linger against the 1JZ Altered. Oh, Clayton has got no trans brake, you see, so... Oh, what happened to Megan? Where was she going? Where was she going? Megan, watch out. Clayton sends it through the deep end. Oh, 797. Oh, Hoffman, no. What are you doing?
You are at 20-25 Jamboree.
Oh, he's cut a line. Oh, Clayton Ethel! Clayton Ethel has cut a whole shot on Lucas Holt's the extreme final. Oh, 794. Oh, Lucas Holt's bang on. 920 on a 920 beats a 94 on a 90. Take a photo.
This guy making changes and oh, change the screen, why don't you? Change the screen. So it went 505 at 143. No, cool. All right. 505 at 143. And just. Oh, sorry, ordinary just. Sorry, mate. Yeah. Anyways. Next time I won't creep, and I'll try and get a 60 and see if we can match the 505.
Crack starting the show.
Yeah, it is.
Everybody watching.
Yeah. Well, you've finally gone a 4 in the KE10. It's just
would have done it too.
it's just not the 8th. You had that 480 tune up in it, eh?
I did. Turns out when you put the trans brake in, it's supposed to be in first gear.
First? No, surely not.
Still got the win. She went the long way on that one.
Is that a good one, Millsy? Oh!
I'm not making fun of you, you're making fun of yourself. Get in, get in. You can drive it, eh?
Come on, stick your butt out. Oh, that looks awkward. Oh, that looks awkward.
You can do it.
It's the breathing. Oh, get skinny. Whoa.
You can do it.
Did your head fit in there? Okay, now get out.
But can you touch the pedals though? Don't break the fiberglass. Oh.
Fucking dash is fucked. Oh no. We won't tell Clayton, it's fine. We'll make him think he did it. It'll just hit him in the face on the way down. That's gold.